people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexisjayda and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new LA Colors holiday gift set that you guys can find at Walgreens. So first, let's go in with brows. This is the brow palette, and I'm loving the holographic printing that it has. Like, look at that. I just think it looks so freaking cool. Like, pew, 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 pew. Okay, so for the eyebrow, I'm gonna go in with the wax, and I'm just going to lay this down on my eyebrow. Then I'm gonna go in and spoolie that product in. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the LA Colors eyebrow pencil. Done. So the next thing I want to play with is their brush set, the LA Colors Brush Up. Comes with 10 pieces. Ooh. And I will be using the LA Colors Identity Good Natured Eyeshadow Palette. You're gonna go in with the blending brush in this color right here. Now we're gonna go in with this darker shade right here. And I'm just going to focus that just right here. Going in with the LA Colors shader brush and this shade right here. Now going in with the LA Colors Iced Pigment Powders, and it comes with 3 shades. I love these. You can use them as a highlight all over the lid, and I love the colors that they chose because you cannot go wrong. They are super, super freaking pretty. Okay, and they also have the LA Colors Prep and Set Face Kit. Okay, and I'm just going to spray my brush. This is the LA Colors Concealer Brush. I'm gonna put that on the lid. Okay, now going into the LA Colors Identity Palette, Daring Darling. Going into this purple right here. We're just gonna add it right there. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the LA Colors 5-Day Lash Vault. So we'll be applying Gold Digger and Date Night. So Date Night and Gold Digger. So here's Gold Digger. Okay, now going into our LA Colors Face Primer. That's cute. It looks like a lip gloss. So I will be using my LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing High Pigment Foundation, and I mix the shade Golden Beige and Warm Honey. We're going to mix these two to get our combination. Going in with my LA Colors foundation brush. Okay, so now going on to the LA Colors All About That Face. I just love the packaging. Like, look how cool that looks. Ooh. So I'm gonna go in with the LA Colors contouring brush, and I will be picking up these 2 shades right here. Okay, now for blush, going in with this blush right here and using the LA Colors face powder brush. Look how pretty this highlight is, okay? I'm just whooshing it around. You guys see that? That is gorgeous. Mira. Ooh. Okay, now going back onto our under eye, I will be using the LA Colors Eyes Are Lined, and this set comes with 8 eye pencils. Okay, now going back into the Daring Darling, I will be picking up this shade with the LA Colors Angled Brow and Liner. Now I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors setting spray. now for lips, going in with the LA Colors Lips Are Lined. I will be going in with this shade right here. Look how creamy the lip liners are. Super buttery. Now I'm going to go into the LA Colors Matte Lip Kit. If you guys have not tried their liquid lipsticks, you guys definitely need to check them out. They are so nice. They smell amazing and super affordable. Look how pretty the lips came out. Ooh! Aw, baby, thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my hair. Yeah, I'll be right back. Alrighty, and here is the finished look. Ta-da! Super affordable. Boom, everything's done. Done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial using the LA Colors holiday gift sets. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updating my videos. Te quiero mucho. Besos a todos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!